Hi there, it's Stephanie here, and I'm really excited to try this product for you today. It's by City Beauty, and this product is called City Lips, and it's an Insta plumping lip gloss. And this product, let me just read a little bit about it. It's a plumping lip gloss that provides both an immediate and long-term solution for our lips. It helps to restore the look of healthy lips by delivering deep hydration for the instant plumping and long-lasting comfort while smoothing it out, and it's supposed to help to smooth out the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So let's give it a try. All right, and I got the color Pink Nude. It feels very luxurious on. Okay, so we're gonna wait 2 to 3 minutes and see if it's any plumper. Now I can already feel my lips being a little bit fuller. I had nothing on my lips before, but it says apply a generous amount to clean, dry lips. For best results, wait 2 to 3 minutes before applying your lip color. So we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna see you guys in 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm back and it's been a couple minutes and my lips definitely look fuller, much fuller than usual. And I like this color just as it is. I think it's really nice for a natural look. However, it said that you could put lipstick on, or you could put another shade on over it if you wanted. So I'm going to try that too. Really nice. Ooh, I like that. Now, what I would recommend this product for anyone, especially if you just want a really good lip gloss. One thing I like is that this is not the first time I've used the product. This is just this is the first time I'm doing a review for it. But one thing I loved is that when I put it on, for hours after, it's leaving my lips really, really moisturized, so that even if I've been eating or drinking, my lips feel super moisturized. And this also goes, as you can see, it goes along really well with a slightly darker lipstick. So on its own or with a lipstick, this product is definitely one that now is like, I keep this product in my purse at all times because it's just a great product in terms of touching up your lips, making them look a little bit fuller. And like, especially my top lip here, it's quite thin, so having something just to plump it up a little bit, and it tingles in a nice way, not in like a painful way or an annoying way. It tingles in a nice way. So I definitely recommend this product to anyone, but especially if you're noticing that your lips are getting a little bit more thin, a little bit more wrinkled, and you're wanting something fuller, plumper, just something that looks a bit more youthful. This is the lip gloss for you. I'm very excited about this one. So until next time, bye.